Hello Lefty Wannabes and welcome to my channel, Right Left Hand. Today is maintenance 10, the second time we're doing this in May, so let's go ahead and get started. As per usual, I'm actually going to have to move this over a little bit. Man, this always happens. But yeah, maintenance 10. I think it's because I'm not quite writing on the ball part of the pen. And go ahead and get started with the uppercase alphabet. Hopefully I don't mess up like I did last time. Or did I mess up last time? I can't remember. No. I was just scared of messing up last time because I'm on a new page. So that usually happens when I'm on a new page, is I will mess up because I don't have previous reference for what I'm writing, and it doesn't always end up great. So yeah, looks like I'm writing bigger than I was last time, as you can see. Not quite sure why that is. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the lowercase. Let's see how it goes. It's going pretty well. Yeah. So, yeah. And looks like my lowercase is also bigger than my previous lowercase, but not a big deal. I think one thing, that I've been working on previously, which I kind of forced myself in that first, back in January, was to write small, and that way I would write small the rest of the time. But like I said, since I flipped the page over, it's literally, turning a new page. It's like I can do whatever I want. So yeah. Alright, and there you have it. Maintenance 10. That's the end of the month of May for maintenance. So come back next month for June's maintenance series. Alrighty, goodbye.